Okay, actually here, I have my headphones on, so I don't know if you guys will hear the sound or something. I hope you can, or I'm just gonna be so mad because girl. So this is strangers call their crush to ask them on a date. So here we go. I think you guys can hear it. Oh my gosh! I'm so nervous. 9 people agreed to do it. Okay.
Should we want to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
I don't know if he's gonna answer.
My thing is
Are you
so
nervous
lucky,
at
so
all?
I'm so sorry.
I'm not. I'm feeling
Girl.
okay.
Who are you about to call?
My
She
ex
better.
Fernando. His name's Sean. He's actually one of my friend's coworkers. So that's how I know him.
His name's Majalan.
And how do you, well, tell me a little bit about him.
Alright, so he works in a coffee shop. He's really funny. He loves saying dad jokes. And I'm just gonna ask him.
Whoa. Is he like a dad? Is she like a teenager, like a regular teenager? Creepy. That's creepy in my opinion. But like, if she is in love with a dad, what if he's married? I'm so confused.
And why is he your ex?
He broke up with me and left me for some
Wait,
but
so she is going to that is so, but she is going to call her ex. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's gonna end up like a drama.
somebody else.
Drama crush.
Why'd you choose him to call when I asked you to call your crush?
Because I still have feelings for him.
So, who are you about to call right now?
Some guy that I actually met on vacation to Tennessee. So
Okay.
we had a nice talk and everything. So
How long ago was that?
that was last month.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So,
Last month.
yeah, so just call him and then put it on speaker so we can hear what he says.
Oh man.
Who are you gonna be calling today?
I'm calling this guy, Carlin, who I went on a date with like a couple years ago, and then I ended up like not going on another date because I met someone else that I dated for a while. And yeah, but he's cute. That's all.
Are you nervous at all?
I'm not. I'm feeling okay.
Okay.
Just to make this clear, I do not have any crushes. And I'm like, singer, why don't you have crushes? Like, are you supposed to have crushes? I don't know if you're supposed to, but, let me tell this little story to you guys. Just really quick, okay? So, there's this boy. I'm not gonna say his name. I'm gonna make up a name. I gotta think of a name. I don't know. So this guy thinks I like him in school, which I don't. He thinks that I like him, but I don't like him. So, which is kind of embarrassing. But, okay, whatever. And his friends think I like him too. Which I do not. I'm dead serious. I do not have a crush on him.
There you go. So just go for it and make sure to put on speaker.
And I'm asking him out.
Yeah, ask him. You could either say, "Can I take you on a date?" or "Do you want to
I
take
should
me
put
on
on
a date?"
speaker?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh no.
Ooh, I like your nails. That's how I look when I call people. When I am on the phone, I always giggle. I'm like, I don't know if it's a girl thing or whatever, but I always laugh. Girl, she's just like smacking her gum. Hello.
Hello?
Hello? Hey, Miranda, what's up? Oh, cool. Have you found a car yet? No? So I got a question to ask you.
Hey, Carlin, how are you? I'm good. How's your day going? Good. Great. Well, I know this is kind of out of the blue, but I was wondering if you wanted to get coffee sometime.
Would you want to go on a date with me?
Amazing! What's your schedule like this week?
I'm training Mondays.
Well, do you want to do like Wednesday morning since you have it off?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Sounds great. I will text you a location.
I just figured out that you guys can hardly see the words.
Alright, talk to you later. Bye.
I mean, whenever I get back. I mean, from let's say I come back this week, right? We could do Sunday. Yeah?
Oh my god!
Okay, cool. I'll see you Sunday then. Alright. I'll see you later, right? Bye. I'm gonna throw my phone in the pond now. Okay, thank you, yeah.
Success!
Yes, good
Yes,
job.
thank you.
How do you feel?
Good. But wasn't nerve-wracking. I'm surprised he answered because I feel like everyone texts nowadays. No one calls on the phone. So, yeah, I'm excited. That's a spontaneous date I'll be having in a couple days.
I think it adds a nice touch that you called, right?
Right, it's a little more personal. People only call for emergencies now, so that's fun.
There you go. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Hi, Sean.
Hey, what you doing?
Hi, is this Alex?
She just annoys me with
Do you
her
remember
gum.
me? It's Jolene.
No, she just annoys me with her gum. She's like, it's annoying.
Just wondering when you're gonna take me on a date.
From where?
From Redlands, we had international relations together.
That's very, very soon.
Very soon?
Yeah, say something.
You're glad I said something. I'm glad you answered yes.
Man, what do you think this week? I'll be on Thursday, really.
Thursday's fine. Thursday works. Okay, I'll see you then.
Oh, yeah. Love it.
Okay, bye.
Wait, what's that? Her ex?
So I'm going on a date on Thursday.
Wait,
Alright.
which one was
We got it.
their ex?
So
He
weird.
seems really
Oh,
sweet.
he's a nice guy. He's really nice. I just want to know if you're busy. What's today? Sunday. Next Sunday.
What?
I wanted to take you out.
Oh my god.
You want to take me out?
Yeah, you like Thai food?
Oh my god. Who? Wait, who would just... Hey, do you like Thai food? Like, who would... Does she know how to flirt, first of all? I'm just laughing at this.
You look like, to be honest with you.
I mean, I look good. That's all that matters.
All the response! Girl, she just said, well, I look good. You don't say, oh, I have, hair. I have brown hair. I have eyelashes. I have makeup on, which I don't. I have brown eyes. Wait, no. That's not me. I don't have brown eyes. But, she could have just said, I have a round face. But no, she responded with, Well, I look good. Who would say that? Well, I
Right?
guess I would sometimes.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna vlog right now. Vlog.
I can't believe you said the things you said.
I'm like, whatever. He doesn't remember who I am, so it's okay. Alright,
so
well, yeah, I
good.
just blocked him so he doesn't, you know.
Oh, that's
Or
sad.
call the cops or something.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
Maybe he's busy.
Probably.
Yeah, he's probably busy. Come on. Oh,
Sorry, the person
He did not answer.
dang it.
The thing with my phone is, I'll call people until they answer me. I'm not even kidding. So I'll be like, ring, 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 ring. And if they don't answer, I'm doing it again until they answer. So I'm the annoying person ever.
Hey, I'll make this quick. I'm at a concert.
Hey, you want to go on a date?
Have you been going on a date?
Magic Mountain or something big.
Okay. So we have a date?
So we got that.
I'll go with you.
I'll go
Okay.
with you.
You'll go with me. All right. We'll plan. When do you want to go?
Next week we're there.
Oh, next week. Okay. Next week.
I can't believe you called me.
Yes. I called you.
You
All right.
crazy girl.
Bye.
That what it said.
Who was that?
It's a good friend.
Okay. Do you kind of have a crush on him?
Do I have? Can I have a crush? Probably.
Do you think he
Probably.
feels the same way?
Do you guys think he feels the same way?
Yes, I think so. I think he's excited.
Yeah. Yeah, he sounded excited.
Six Flags.
Yeah. When you guys get married, I'm getting an invite.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Cool.
Hey,
Yes.
hello? How are you? How are you?
Okay. I'm good. How are you?
Good. I have a quick question. What day are you off this week?
Wednesday.
Wait, so is that her? Wait, is that the girl with her ex, and she's trying to ask her ex out? Just no.
Do you want to go out on a date with me sometime next week? Do you want to go out on a date with me sometime next week?
Speak louder.
Your phone's breaking up. I'm just free.
Yeah. Do you want to go out on a date with me sometime next week?
Really, just be quiet. It's okay.
Sure.
Where?
Where? No way.
Okay, we're gonna,
Really, be
you're gonna
quiet.
take me out?
Yeah.
Really,
Okay, I'll text you.
I'm gonna get Lily.
That was random. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Anyway.
Said that was random.
Why are you on the date?
Yeah.
Just curious. So, yeah?
Really, yeah.
Yeah, it is. It is really me.
Okay, so this is like the kind. It's. This is the end of the video. You made it, right, Lily? Right, Lily. Right, Lily. I can't kiss you right now. I have lipstick on. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, bye.